If you're a business owner with zero time to create content, but you know you need to be posting daily, this changes everything. I'm about to show you what I call the CCC method. Clone content creation. This is my entire system for identifying content that works and then creating an ultra-realistic clone of yourself, which eliminates the need for recording entirely. Plus, I will be showing you our best performing video concepts that anyone can copy and use with their own AI clone. And before you say AI clones aren't realistic enough, here are some examples of videos we've generated for our clients. And this isn't me either. It's my personal AI clone. It's not just theory, it's proven. The CCC method took Nestor, who's a barber consultant, from 1K to 12K in 45 days. Carlos, a financial advisor, from 1K followers to 10K in a span of 60 days. And has helped many other people grow their business with AI content without losing authenticity and without looking like a robot. The question isn't whether you have time for content anymore. It's whether you're going to jump on this now or spend the next year wondering how everyone else got so far ahead. Let's get into the video. Identifying winning content and scripting. You need to research your competitors and create a database of creators in your niche. Don't just follow them, analyze them. What hooks are they using? What content formats get the most engagement? What topics drive the most comments? Here's what you'll do. Go to their most popular videos from the last 30 days and write down the patterns. Look for emotional triggers, problem solution formats, and specific phrases that grab attention. This becomes your content goldmine, and keep doing this every week to stay ahead of the curve. This isn't about copying, it's about spotting opportunities before your competition does. Now for the scripting part, take those winning concepts and reframe them with your own expertise. Add your unique perspective, your case studies, your personal experience. The goal is to take what's already proven to work and make it authentically yours. A great scripting formula to follow is this: strong hook plus personal story or case study plus actionable advice plus clear call to action. This structure works because it builds trust while delivering immediate value. Let me give you an example. Here's how we use this exact formula with our client and got 600,000 views. Strong hook, personal story or case study, actionable advice, clear call to action. Now let's get to the juicy part, creating a realistic AI clone of yourself. For realistic AI clones, you can use platforms like HeyGen, DID, Colossian, or AI Studios. You need to give it footage of yourself, and it will do the job. But here's what most people mess up. They think any footage will work. Wrong. The quality of your source footage determines everything. You need to record yourself with the best lighting and audio you can manage. If possible, use multiple outfit changes, different backgrounds and angles. The more variety you give the AI to learn from, the better your clones will be. Here's the key. Record at least 3 to 5 minutes of clean footage where you're speaking naturally, making eye contact with the camera and using your normal gestures. Avoid filler words and long pauses. The AI learns from this foundation. If you want animated instead of realistic, you can use Google Veo 3 or HeyGen itself. Some people prefer this because it feels more approachable. Train your clone on your specific speaking patterns, your industry terminology, and your unique personality. The platforms have guides for this, but the secret is being patient with the training process. Don't rush it. Now here's what I usually do with clients that gets better results. Professional filming with 4K cameras, studio lighting, and controlled environments. We capture everything needed for perfect AI training in one session, but you can get started with good lighting and a decent camera at home. 3. Proven examples. Now, let me give you the exact content formats that have been working super well for our clients so you can easily replicate them using your own AI clone. Format 1. One of the easiest content formats is reacting to viral videos in your niche. You're essentially borrowing the authority and reach of content that's already proven to work, and then adding your expertise and knowledge on top. Here's how simple it is. Find a viral or controversial post in your industry that you can react to and provide additional value. Look for content that is getting massive engagement but might be missing key insights that only you can provide. Take this example. We found a video where someone was asking an entrepreneur directly about his income numbers. This type of content always sparks curiosity because people want to know the real numbers behind success stories. But instead of just reacting, we added our personal expertise and promised to show viewers how to make even more money while working less hours. This format is viral content plus your expert reaction plus additional value. You're not just commenting, you're positioning yourself as the authority who can take their success to the next level. Format number 2. Fake podcast. The fake podcast format absolutely crushed it because we timed it perfectly with the IRS tax deadline approaching. We tackled the exact question everyone was asking. Why do some people get refunds while others have to pay more? This worked because we hit a pain point at the exact moment people were feeling it most. Here's how you replicate this. Find controversial or trending topics in your niche that people are actively discussing right now. The fake podcast format works because real podcasts cover current events and breaking news, so audiences already expect this type of content. This format feels natural because people are used to hearing experts discuss current events on podcasts. Format number 3. Talking head. The talking head format might not always go viral, but it's absolutely crucial because these are the videos that actually convert viewers into paying clients. This content format starts with a bold, attention-grabbing claim that immediately positions you as an authority. In this example, we claimed we were going to put a Porsche in your garage. This approach does 3 powerful things at once. First, it polarizes your audience. People either love the boldness or they scroll past. Second, it positions you as an expert. Third, it attracts the right people who resonate with you. This is how you turn viewers into clients, by speaking directly to the target audience, providing value while naturally removing those who aren't a good fit. The winning formula across all of these 3 formats is a strong emotional hook, your unique expertise, and immediate actionable value. You can start using these frameworks immediately with your AI clone. Pick the one that fits your industry best and create your first batch of content. If you like the video, I would appreciate a like and a sub. And of course, if you're looking for someone to automate the whole process, including the editing as well, a link to book a discovery call with me is in the description.